sa bigla. I'm still a position. I blame you. My friend, I'm so sorry. Man.
She will hug you now.
Ow. Fucking man. Ow.
Oy!
I'm official. I hate these people. It's a 39.
Good morning, love.
7.
Hello, it's 6 a.m. and we're still sleeping. Gotta sleep.
Ow.
My eye. Mika poked my eye. This shall be the #1 hit in YouTube.
Hi.
Mika, who is currently facing... No, I mean Christine, who is currently facing Mika's front.
I hate you. It's 7.
And
Smells ugly.
Hain, who is currently in a weird position with Christine.
Huh? I am totally innocent.
And Nicole, who is totally oblivious to everything.
Ow! My bladder. Natutok yan.
Nagising na, wala na.
I hate you people. Oh my god, total destruction.